welcome to my channel. My name is Gabby, aka Mocha. So today's video, as you can see, I have little Zuri with me today, and I wanted to show you guys an update on her hair. A couple months ago, I did show you a video of her hair. Her hair was experiencing a lot of patches and dryness. So we got through the patches, but she's still experiencing a lot of dryness, as you guys can tell. So I wanted to try an aloe vera leave-in conditioner and an oil. I seen this on YouTube and I seen this on someone's Snapchat that they used their aloe vera plant on their hair. So I was like, okay, let me try this on Zuri's hair. So if you stay tuned to that, and like I said, guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos. Okay guys, so let's get started. All you need is one aloe vera plant, and to begin you just want to start cutting your plant into different sections in order to get your leave-in conditioner and your oil. You do want to cut the bigger pieces of the plant in order to get the most consistency of the gel out of the plant, and then you'll leave the end of the aloe vera plant for the oil, and then you'll see exactly why I need the bigger pieces if you continue watching. But what I'm going to do is just start to cut this section off in half, and I'm doing that because I do need to get the gel out, and then I'm just going to cut off the little pieces of it because it will make it easier to get the gel out. But like I said, all I'm doing now is just prepping for my leave-in conditioner, and then I will do the oil later on. But as of now, I'm just trying to cut the pieces in half in order to get the gel out. As you guys can see here, I have my spoon and my bowl, and the spoon is in order to scoop out all of that gel out of that plant, and you want to make sure that majority of that gel is out of the plant so you can have enough for your leave-in conditioner. So as you can see here, I'm just scooping and squeezing so that I can have enough for my aloe vera leave-in conditioner. And I'm just going to repeat that same process with each plant. I'm just scooping under slowly in order to get out all the consistency out of that plant. I need that in order to have my leave-in conditioner. So I'm going to squeeze all of that out, and I'm just repeat that same process here. It's simple, right? Nothing too hard. So you can try this at home as well. So now that all the gel is scooped out into the bowl, what I'm going to do now is just start squeezing the big chunks of that gel and just squeeze until it's just like a liquid consistency. It's going to still be little chunks, but it's going to be more of a liquid consistency because once it's in a drainer, then it's going to be a faster process for that liquid to come out, because once it has those big chunks, it's a little bit harder for that liquid to come out, and the liquid is what we need for that leave-in conditioner. So what I'm doing now, like I said, I'm just squeezing in order to make this process a little faster. I'm a little impatient, so I'm gonna just do this first in order to kind of speed up everything. So now that I'm done squeezing out all those big pieces of gel, it's time to put it in the drainer. And the drainer is supposed to catch all those big pieces that's left over and the pieces of the plant that's left over as well when you were cutting your plant. So you just kind of just let that sit for a little while. And once you let it sit, you'll see all that liquid that you need for your leave-in conditioner. And you just let it sit for a while, not too long. That is the reason why we kind of squish those pieces together in order to get that liquid that we need and have a faster process. So now that I'm done with my leave-in conditioner, I'm going to move on to creating my oil. And like I said earlier, I wanted to use the end piece of the aloe vera plant in order to cut this plant into smaller pieces, and you'll see exactly why I need these smaller pieces moving on to the next section to create this oil. So to create your oil, guys, you do want to have some olive oil, some fresh organic coconut oil. Of course, you're going to have your aloe vera pieces of the plant that you see me cut up earlier, and then you're going to have a pan. You have the pan because the coconut oil and the olive oil and the aloe vera pieces are going to kind of simmer and cook together, and you'll see why. Those three combinations smell so amazing. It smells so good. And you leave that on the stove for probably about 25 to 30 minutes, but you should try it at home. Trust me, it smells so good. I know I can't put it on my hair, but I will definitely probably put it on my skin. As you guys can see here, all of that liquid is drained out of those aloe vera pieces, and that's the part that I need. I'm just gonna throw away those chunks because I don't need that. So what I'm gonna do now is take my bottle and my funnel and pour that liquid into the bottle. Don't judge me, guys. I have to hold it because the funnel was not big enough for the bottle. It was a little small, but whatever works. So I'm just finishing up, just pouring all of that into the bottle, and I just can't wait to see how this moisturized Zuri's hair. Like you seen earlier, her hair is super dry, and the aloe vera plant is supposed to, you know, bring some moisture and shine into her hair. So hopefully this bottle lasts for, you know, this time and for another time, because it looks like it will. Like I said earlier, guys, I think I let this sit for probably about 25 to 30 minutes. I didn't really time it. I just waited to see when the aloe vera pieces turned brown. And once it did that, I transferred everything over into another tube. And like I said earlier, guys, do not judge me. I have this small funnel, and of course, I have to slowly, you know, transfer this oil over because some of the aloe vera pieces, as you can see, started to drop. But hey, that is a-okay as long as all the oil is transferring into this bottle. And once everything is transferred over, I will transfer it over into a measuring cup because some of the aloe vera pieces had dropped in the oil, and I don't really need those pieces. Those need to be in the trash. So like I said, don't judge me. So I've already went through the process and shampoo and conditioned Zuri's hair. I'm leaving that part out because I just wanted to focus on how well her hair does with this leave-in conditioner and oil. Like I said earlier, her hair is super dry, and you can see that her hair is dry because, like I said, I've already washed her hair and it's already dry. Her hair has sucked up so much of the water. That's just how her hair is. So hopefully this aloe vera will kind of, you know, add in some moisture to her hair. And I know it's a process. You have to kind of probably do it every week. And so this is the first time I'm doing that on her hair because I wanted to try different things. But so far, I'm liking the results. It seems like it's, you know, doing pretty good. She has curly hair. It's just the problem is her hair is super dry. Her hair sucks up a lot of oils, water, anything. So I'm just trying to work with it. I can't be the only one with good natural hair. So, and I know babies go through stages and you have to work with it, and that's exactly what I'm doing. I don't want to, you know, try everything, but I do want to try different things in order, you know, to keep her hair moisturized, and I'll try to do this every week or so. So this is Zuri's hair after I applied the leave-in conditioner. I didn't put a lot. I just put enough so I can detangle her hair so I can get ready to style it. I wanted to add in the leave-in conditioner because I noticed that it's easier to comb through her hair. And I like that process better because, you know, she hates her hair getting done. So I needed this leave-in conditioner, and it did help with detangling. As you guys can see here, I've already parted Zuri's hair. I'm not good at parting, even on other people's hair, sadly to say. But like I said, fast forward through that part. I'm just putting the oil in between the parts that I had and a little bit on her hair. I noticed her hair was still a little bit dry. So I'm just going to take the spray bottle again and just spray it as I style her hair. So I'm just going to add a little bit of blue magic to her hair because this way I know that her hair will be smooth and laid down, because if I don't lay it down, I know it's going to stick up and it's going to be a little frizzy, even though this is supposed to moisturize her hair. But I do want her hair to lay down, and I know this blue magic will do that. hair. This is the back of Zuri's hair, and I'm just, you know, fast forwarding through some parts just to kind of show you how well her hair is moisturized with this aloe vera leave-in conditioner and oil. So these are the final results of Zuri's hair. So and it's so moisturized, guys. It was a little dry in the beginning, but as I continued to put the leave-in conditioner and the oil in there, it really moisturized her hair, and I didn't really have to add in any other products. Her hair was like fully drenched with the leave-in conditioner of the aloe vera. And I really like it. I would definitely try it again. I'll probably try it on my hair too. Like I said, I really like it. You see how moisturized her hair looks? Yes. So if you do like this video, guys, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.